Alright, hey guys, it's Mr. Rivera, and today I'm just going to be doing another review on adding integers, and I'm just going to give you two examples just so you're aware of what to do while you're doing your independent work. So the first example is pretty easy. So we're going to start at 4 plus 3. Both numbers are positive. Since we're adding 3 to 4, we're going to start at positive 4, and we're just going to bump up 3. So we can move 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3. We're gonna end up at positive 7, and this is evident because 4 plus 3 is 7. Alright, on to our next example. So for number 1, check. Number 2 is 7 plus negative 3. So we're still starting at positive 7 because 7 doesn't have a negative sign in front of it. So we're starting at positive 7. And then plus negative 3. Now, if you go to the right and make it positive 10, that's wrong. Why is it wrong? Because it's negative 3. Because of this, you have to move 3 to the left instead of 3 to the right. You'd end up with 1, 2, 3, and end up at positive 4 if you move 3 to the left. So that's your answer for number 2. Great. Now that I've showed you how to add integers properly, I'm going to give you two examples to do on your own. Now, I'll be giving you the answers to these problems, but I will not show you how to do them. So please be sure that you do these on your own. Either on a piece of paper or on your laptops, computers, phones, whatever you're using. Please try these problems on your own and try to draw a number line just so you have a visual. Because soon, we're going to step out of the comfort zone using number lines and we're just going to add them. Alright, pause the video now and see if you can answer these two practice problems. The answers are coming up in 3, 2, 1. Be sure you've paused. Here are the answers. Number 1 is 3. Number 2 is negative 8. Make sure you've gotten the correct answers on whatever you've used to do this problem. Now, you have your own independent work and you will do your own practice problems. In addition to this, you have a video check to make sure that you've understood this video. Furthermore, I thank you all for watching this video, and I hope that if you have any questions, you message me immediately. Have an amazing day, Mr. Rivera.